Hello guys, today's video will show you a quick step on how to hide your friend list on Facebook. Launch the Facebook app on your device and ensure you are logged in. Tap on the three horizontal lines at the bottom right corner of the screen to access your menu. Tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen to open the settings section. You scroll down and locate the audience and visibility section. Then, you tap on how people find and contact you. To hide your friend list, you tap on the button icon beside who can see your friend list. You can adjust to your desired option to set your friend list visibility. But since we want to hide the friend list, you select the Only Me option. After selecting the option, Facebook will save your settings automatically. By following these steps, you can successfully hide your friend list on Facebook. Don't forget to like the video, share, and subscribe for more useful tips. Bye, and see you in the next video.